Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have come up with a very interesting video for you guys today, especially for the teenagers or the college goers you may say, and who suffer from cystic acne and acne marks. In today's video I will be sharing this minimal college makeup look with you guys, and will be also sharing how to take care of your acne while doing makeup specially. You guys can see I have lots of acne on my skin and it can't be hidden. So these are hormonal acne, so they keep coming, you can't stop them. But if you do take care of your skin with proper products, the cystic acne get reduced. I mean, swear on anything, it gets reduced. Trust me guys, I have shared this many times on my channel before. Use skincare products having salicylic acid kill bacteria and decrease the inflammation of your acne, and also it reduces the oiliness from your skin. But if you have bad cyst, I mean very bad, you might not see the result. But if you have the cystic acne like me, you will definitely see the difference. So let's start with the cleansing first. Washing your face with a face wash or cleanser is a must. Today I have used this Dermaco's 1% salicylic acid gel face wash, and this face wash is specially for acne prone skin. And this cleanser from Dermaco is great for cleansing your skin, especially for those who have acne. So wash your face first in the morning before going out for the college, and then apply the toner. You can refrigerate the cucumber juice for overnight in the fridge and apply it as your toner. It's great for acne prone skin. Next, apply a serum which has salicylic acid in it, because the oil in your skin increases the chances of acne breakouts, and upar se dust, humidity, pollution can also make your skin more acne prone. But this 2% salicylic acid serum from the Dermaco penetrates deep into your skin and unclogs pores and removes excess oiliness and sebum, which works very well against acne. All you need to do is apply 2 to 3 drops of it on your face and gently massage it until it's absorbed. This is such a great product made with amazing scientific ingredients that help fight acne effectively. It also reduces the formation of whiteheads and blackheads. I have seen a huge difference after using this serum. My acne has reduced considerably. My skin is clearer and oil free and smooth. It is recommended to use every day. You can use at the night or during the day. So yeah. And by the way, do not forget to do the patch test before you try this product or any other skincare products. And also, if you apply the salicylic acid during the daytime, you must apply the sunscreen before going out. So yeah, the Dermaco is designed by dermatologists, and you should definitely check their products out. They are amazing. You can also use my coupon code, which is Kundu2022 to get 20% discount on their official website only. The Dermaco products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, so you can also purchase them from there. And also, for checking out the product details, please go to my description box. I have put on all the links there. And now I will be starting my makeup, and for that I have applied the primer first. And always make sure that you apply the primer before your foundation application. And if you have oily and acne prone skin, choose a primer which is gel based and oil free. I have chosen that primer from Mattlook Cosmetics. This is a gel based oil free primer. In case of acne prone skin, always remember to lock all the products used before the foundation or the concealer application, because the products we use for prepping our skin protect us from any damage caused by the foundation. I mean, not necessarily, but just as a precaution. So yeah, I have used that setting spray all over my face just to lock all the products I have used till now. And next, as this is going to be a college makeup look and you already have acne, so you need to make sure that you never apply any thick layer of foundation on your skin. I mean, you should let your skin breathe. So that is why I would suggest to skip the foundation part rather, and use the concealer only just to hide the dark spots and dark circles or any tiredness around your eye areas. So yeah, I have used the concealer which is the exact match match to my skin tone, and I have applied around my eye areas and wherever I have the dark spots caused by the acne. So yeah. For your college makeup look, do not concentrate on hiding the dark spots or dark circles, because little dark spots visible is normal and it is okay to have. Do not feel any less of yourself. Rather, concentrate on making your face look bright, colorful, vibrant and fresh. And trust me guys, blush makes your face look vibrant and fresh instantly. So apply the cream or liquid blush rather than the powder blush because it stays longer than the powder one. Now take a compact powder and apply it all over your face to set the concealer and the blush. And also, as we haven't applied any concealer or foundation all over our face, so this compact powder will give the sheer coverage to the face and also will make the face look fresh. And as the acne prone skin gets oily after some time, so this compact powder will absorb the extra oil also. And now if you want, you can skip that part as we go to the college during the daytime, and I do not like to wear the highlighter during the day, but I know most of you like to wear the highlighter, so I have applied the highlighter just on the cheekbones. That's it. If you do not like it, just skip it. And so that's it for my base makeup. Now to set the powder and all the cream products I have used till now, I have sprayed the setting spray all over my face again, and yeah, that's it. For the eyebrows, do not do anything over the top. Just take a mascara and comb through your eyebrows, and that's it. You are good to go. And for the eyes also, I would suggest do not do any larger than life look because it doesn't look approachable. So skip the eyeshadow part if possible. If not, then take blush and apply it under your eyes and on the crease areas only. And make sure to blend them seamlessly just to make your eyes look shadowy and more defined. And it will look natural also because the same color is on your cheeks. So yeah. If you ask me, I would be more comfortable just with curling the eyelashes and applying the mascara without any shadow. So whether you apply the shadow or not, just make sure that you curl your eyelashes and apply the mascara. I mean multiple coats of mascara. And that's it. It will make your eyes look more enhanced. And lastly, for the lips, I would recommend to go with the bright colors if your base and eye makeup is so light. So choose your favorite color every day, every new color if you want, or just apply the same color, whatever you are comfortable with. I have applied that mauve shade from Bellora Cosmetics. This is a beautiful shade and it is going with my dress also. So yeah. So, did you like that makeup look, guys? Let me know that in the comment section. And also, are the acnes that much visible? What say? Though whether your acnes are visible or not, it doesn't really matter. Seriously, cause it's normal, especially at this age. So embrace it and love yourself. And whether you want to do makeup or not, it's also your choice. So nothing really matters. Only matters loving yourself. So love yourself and you are beautiful in any way. So if you do like that video, please give a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. And if anyone is new here in my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.